Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Cute Drawing!
Hi kids! Today we are going to draw a super cute flower. Stay until the end and let's color it together. Kids, if you love your mom, subscribe to our channel and like this video. Let's draw the flower head. Now, draw round petals around the center. Next, draw two big sparkling eyes. And a tiny happy smile. Add two beautiful green leaves on both sides. Kids, if you love your mom, give her a big hug. And if you enjoyed this cute flower, tap like and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing videos. Now, let's color the flower bright red. Flowers come in many beautiful colors, and red is a bright and cheerful color. Flowers are plants that make gardens look colorful and beautiful. Color the stem and leaves green, and don't forget to color the cute little chicks pink. Wow! Amazing! You just drew a beautiful and super cute red flower.